My husband had a fall, ended up having to have neck surgery. And because of that, the VA said, we don't want you walking anymore because he also has primary progressive MS. So his balance is always off. He was in the hospital, he was in St. Francis. He had to go to skilled nursing for 3 weeks, and then he was in St. Louis hospital and rehab for 4 months. Between the VA and home health, they had someone come out 5 days a week. So between them and our helpers with Visiting Angels, we have a routine, and it just goes really smooth. We'll be 2 years in January, and we've been able to keep him home. If I didn't have them, he would have to be put somewhere. Because of home health, they have kept him from having any kind of infection, any kind of bed sores. They've taught him, to have boots on at night, to have a pillow prop him up on either side, so he sleeps on either side. They left me phone numbers that if I needed to get a hold of them at night or anything for anything going on, all I had to do was call. That's how I got so much of their trust, because I don't have to worry. I didn't know what to expect. I had heard some horror stories about agencies, or somebody didn't show up, or different things like that. And so you just never know what to expect. When Kaylee first came out, she really put our mind at ease, and she built a relationship with my husband, Vernon. I just never have to worry about him being taken care of. We've even been able to go out of town for a weekend. I've been able to go because I knew they were going to take care of him, and I didn't have to worry that they wouldn't show up. If he couldn't stay home, I'm not sure how long we would have him. I'm grateful to home health and hospice. I'm grateful to Visiting Angels, and I'm grateful to the VA. It gave us hope that he could actually be okay, because I was so worried on how we were going to manage. I didn't want to subject my kids, my grandkids, my great-grandkids to having to take care of him with their lives. But then I couldn't take care of him either. So I didn't want to have to put him somewhere. And so this has been an amazing help, and we would be lost without him.